Hey, how you going everyone? I hope you're all doing very well. In today's video, I'm going to go on a deep dive into Comb Financial, which will be my second video on them. So if you'd like to know the basics, please check out my earlier video, which will be on the top right of your screen now. Basically, Comb can be a great source of passive income, and what Comb has been doing in the past short period of time has been amazing. The team is very ambitious, and at the same time, they've been hitting every one of their short-term goals along the way. But what they are planning to do and about to implement is going to bring all nodes as a service, or NAAS, type protocols to their knees and create the next level of sustainable NAAS model. In this video, I'll highlight what they have achieved so far, and then supply you with the magic ingredient of what they are yet to come out with that no other NAAS can offer. If that sounds good to you, please like, subscribe and comment anything you like, and don't forget to activate the notification bell for future videos. By the way, this is not a paid or sponsored video. I'm just a regular guy who loves sharing his research about cryptocurrency protocols that I'm genuinely interested in. And of course, this is not financial advice. So, what has Comb Financial achieved so far? In this time, and among other things, they've introduced the Nectar token, their token used to incentivize the community to compound their Comb token into more Hive nodes, to increase the future rewards, and at the same time, to avoid taxes, had members just cashed out their rewards directly. On top of that, they've introduced a tax system to help keep the protocol sustainable and increase the runway for the project to earn revenue to help pay the rewards. So if you withdraw your rewards within 6 days, you'll get taxed 38%. Then from 6 to 10 days, you get taxed at 19%. And then from 10 days and on at 5%. Some other NAAS protocols may offer a little more in rewards, but Comb's main goal is to be sustainable for the long term and meanwhile create more utility for their token. Recently, the team semi-doxed themselves. The lead dev, Philip, and Sam, who is the head of growth and product, recently did a video AMA on James Pelton's YouTube channel. So I highly recommend you watch that if you get a chance. So let's check out the latest news and developments and the team shared in today's AMA. Alright, so just released and very near future developments. Okay, the first thing, one of the biggest goals for Comb was to purchase their validator node for the Phantom network, and so congratulations, this box is now checked. Once they have this validator up and running, they'll be able to use the profits from validating and put that towards their rewards pool and other potential future revenue earning strategies, which in turn will help sustain the current rewards being paid out to all Hive node owners. The good thing about having a validator node is that it brings other forms of revenue other than solely relying on selling Comb to potential new investors. Also, the revenue is tied to the Phantom network, which is an absolute blue chip token and happens to be one of the most undervalued blockchains, or DAGs, based on total value locked in the whole network. And should Phantom increase in price, then Comb's profits will also increase exponentially along with it. And now for the really cool Metaverse. Welcome to the 3D Hiveverse, or Comb's version of the Metaverse. The team is very proud of their achievement, and so they should be, and they are very, very near to completing this, and gave us a sneak peek on their YouTube channel. Let's take a look at some of the snippets.
Called Metaverse, a place where you can interact with your nodes from a meta space. To begin, let's connect our wallet. Now that we're in, we can now walk to our certain destinations where we can interact with our nodes. Eventually, the nodes will start spawning. As you can see here, our nodes have officially spawned, and in addition, our data has been loaded. Here is where we can check our balances. On the left is our Comb, and on the right is our Nectar. As you can see, we have 33 Comb and 8 Nectar. In addition, you can claim your nodes from this station. Next, we can go to create a node. From here, you can press any of these nodes and we can create a node.
According to the AMA, we'll be able to enter a working version of their Metaverse by early February, which is just around the corner. Admittedly, this is the very first layer of many multiple layers to come in the future. But holy crap, this is groundbreaking stuff, and being able to mix this with DeFi, Metaverse, adding even more utility to the Comb token. As for myself, I'm pretty stoked and excited about this. Earning those juicy rewards became even more fun. Number 3. The team plans to introduce their own suite of decentralized apps, which will be powered by their Nectar token. For example, a yield optimizer, perhaps similar to Grim or Reaper on the Phantom network, but Comb plans to run their own, but with greater efficiency. These yield optimizers that I just mentioned have many vaults, so they can't really optimize each individual strategy. For example, they harvest rewards every 30 minutes or so, but Comb, with their new validator, will be able to harvest every 15-minute interval, giving them potential to double the APY and keep profits in their own ecosystem, adding even more utility for Comb token holders and Hive node owners. Number 4. The team has introduced their new NFT. For now, just 25 extremely rare ones, which are unrelated to the Hive nodes, but they will be used in the Hive War contests over in their Discord, in their trophy room. Not sure exactly how this will work, but I'm definitely looking forward to it. And how would I compare this to other similar NAAS protocols? The thing is, Comb doesn't simply rely on gathering more investors to purchase nodes, knowing full well that this strategy is unsustainable. Comb is based around a sustainable ecosystem built on Comb, the entry token, and Nectar, the currency use token, which incentivizes compounding and within the ecosystem. Added to this, Comb intends on using its validator and other in-house DeFi apps within their own ecosystem to help power rewards for current and future Hive node holders. Don't forget the 3D Hiveverse or Metaverse, gamifying the whole system. This alone could potentially be a game changer. These additional revenue streams, along with the node purchasing revenue and team's ability to deliver and initiate new ideas, for me at least makes a huge difference. Basically, Comb's ambitious goals are to be more than just a NAAS. They would like to be a whole blockchain of services. If they can pull this off, and I believe they have every chance, then they will give their Hive node holders profit sustainability and more profit earning potential, and really evolve the DeFi game. Their Discord server is active, their team are coming up with many initiatives, which quite frankly is hard to keep track of. Okay everyone, that's my take on their recent activities within Combverse. So I hope you enjoyed today's little video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, give me a thumbs up guys, leave a comment, and see you next time. Bye for now.